Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and app so the system can run smoothly. First, insert the phone into the cardboard viewer and secure it. This aligns lenses and prevents drift. Next, open the Google Cardboard app and accept permissions for camera and location so the headset can track orientation and scan QR codes. Once done, tap the viewer profile setup to scan your cardboard QR code. This configures lens parameters for accurate visuals. Now you'll calibrate and learn controls to get a stable VR view. Scan the viewer QR code to apply lens correction. This removes distortion and makes text readable. Then follow the calibration prompts. Focus on the reticle as it moves so the app maps your head motion precisely. Make sure you practice the click method, either the magnetic switch, touchscreen tap, or a paired Bluetooth controller, because responsive input avoids accidental selection. Finish by optimizing comfort and resolving common issues so your session lasts. Tighten the strap and slide the phone slightly until images align. Adjusting interpupillary distance reduces double vision and motion sickness. Make sure background apps are closed to lower CPU load and dim brightness to prevent overheating. If tracking or image split occurs, remove and reseat the phone, rerun the calibration, and confirm camera/location permissions. If problems persist, restart the app. This refreshes sensors and usually clears glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.